Welcome to Alpha Research Laboratory. My name is Onimaslai, your technologist. Today we'll be looking at the various lab equipment and what they are used for in the lab. Number one is electronic weighing balance. Electronic weighing balance is mainly used to weigh sample during sample preparation. It's also used to weigh chemicals and reagents. It's used to weigh a standard sample during preparation. This weighing balance ranges from 0.1 to 200 gram. Number two is protein analyzer. Protein analyzer is mainly used in determining protein or nitrogen using Gerdau method. In Gerdau method, three basic steps are involved, which are distillation, digestion, and titration. But this protein analyzer is mainly used in only digestion and distillation steps. Also remember that when using Gerdau method in protein determination, the final result gotten after titration and calculation is mainly the nitrogen content. And this nitrogen content is then converted into protein using a conversion factor which is mainly 6.25. In protein determination, despite the fact that we have various methods of determining protein, the Gerdau method is considered the best and most accurate. Number three, a pH meter. As the name implies, pH meter is mainly used to measure the pH of sample, which is the level of acidity or alkalinity of a sample. As you all know, the pH range is from 1 to 14, and pH 1 to 6 is considered acidic, while pH 8 to 14 is considered alkaline, and pH 7 is neutral, which is mainly the pH of a distilled water. So pH meter is mainly used to check the acidity or alkalinity. Number four is a burette. A burette is calibrated between 0.1 to 50 ml or cm3. And all the analysis that involve titration, that is where burette comes in. So burette is mainly used to measure variable amounts in liquids during titration. It is also used as a titrator in all analysis. So every analysis that involves a titration, the burette will serve as a titrator throughout the whole steps of the analysis. And also remember, during your titration, the gap between the first and second titer value should not be more than plus or minus 2. Number 5, higher performance liquid chromatography. The HPLC is an equipment mainly used to separate, identify, and quantify specific components in a sample. The HPLC is made up of different compartments such as the pump module, the autosampler, the column compartment, the detector chamber, and the data acquisition software, which is mainly used to print out the final chromatograph. The HPLC applications mainly involve vitamin determinations such as vitamin A, B complexes, C, D, K, and E. HPLC is also used in determining the active ingredients in antibiotics such as tetracycline, ciprofloxacin, chloramphenicol, and various antibiotics. Also, HPLC is used in food additive analysis such as determining the coloring, the flavor, preservatives used in various food products. HPLC is also used to check the pesticide or drug residues in foods and other products. It is also used to check food contaminants such as aflatoxins and other components in foods, like anti-nutrients in foods. Number 6 is separating funnel. Separating funnel ranges mainly from 50 ml to 500 ml and is used mainly to separate two immiscible liquids using the principle of densities. Separating funnel works as a result of two or more liquid having different densities, as the heavier one settles down while the lighter one settles above. Number 7, hot plates. A major hot plate comes with a magnetic stirrer. A hot plate is used for heating or boiling of solution or a liquid. Hot plates with a mixer is also used in mixing a solution or a liquid. And when a sample involves to heat and stir simultaneously, a hot plate with a magnetic stirrer is an ideal equipment to use in such situation. Most hot plates in laboratory comes with a thermostat, which helps to regulate the temperature. And temperature mainly ranges from 1 to 350 degrees, as any heating involves temperature of more than 350 degrees more performance can now be used in place of a hot plate. As you see the hot plate in the video, before you start heating, the temperature must be set at the right temperature the heat is supposed to happen, and the thermostat will now regulate the temperature. Number 8, lactometer. Lactometer is an instrument mainly used in milk and milk products. Lactometer is mainly used to check the density of milk or other milk products, of which milk is one of the basic active ingredients in the products, such as yogurt. Lactometer is also used to check the purity in a milk or milk products. Lactometer can also be used to measure the level of water or moisture content in a milk or a milk product. Number 9, a blender or a mixer. In a laboratory, a mixer or a blender is used to grind a semi-solid samples, chemicals, or ingredients. It's also used to blend different samples, different chemicals, or liquids together. A blender or a mixer is also used to crush or mix a solid or powder samples together. The major advantage of having a blender or mixer in a lab is that it helps to reduce contaminants arising from using a public mixer or a blender during analysis or sample preparation. Finally, number 10, fume hood. A fume hood or a fume cupboard in a laboratory is mainly used when the analysis involves a hazardous or odorous chemicals. Whenever the analysis we are into involves releasing a toxic or hazardous fumes outside, a fume cupboard or a fume hood must be used. Or when the analysis involves working in a closed chamber to ensure user safety. Thank you for watching today. Hope you learned something new. Join us on all our social media handles for more videos. Alpha Research